In the heart of the Dordogne, among castles and rivers, bastides and vineyards, we have created a discovery farm, Mielys Sphère. For 9 years, we have been working as a family to create a place to preserve biodiversity. Our goal is to educate the general public about the secrets of nature through educational workshops and discovery tours. Trails have been developed across 70 hectares of forests and meadows to welcome the public and let them observe the animals. Sheep, goats, llamas, alpacas, horses, chickens, guinea fowl, and turtles, all evolving and thriving in a tranquil environment that respects nature.
Vous avez vu apparemment une libellule. Ça serait pas celle-là, la petite libellule bleue là? Ah, ça,
Si elle était bleue à
on
l'arrière.
appelle ça une libellule déprimée.
Cette grenouille.
Vous avez vu des grenouilles?
Oui, celle-là.
Through a fun and enjoyable route, the Mielys Sphère Educational Garden offers the chance to observe the life cycle of a colony of bees. A pond and its inhabitants.
Ah, regardez, il y a l'autre qui bouge. Vous la voyez? Elle est belle celle-là, dis donc. Hein?
On en a deux à côté.
Ah là, je la vois bien. Vous les voyez avec vos jumelles?
And to learn about the benefits of repellent, medicinal, and nectar-producing plants in a flower or vegetable garden. As you make your way around, you'll discover the orchard, the vegetable garden, the truffle oaks, the pond, with wild corners and fallow land to help create a biotope for birds and insects. You'll discover a host of interactions between living things. Our workshops are led by a passionate environmental host who will guide you through each discovery you make during your visit.
Des écureuils.
Des écureuils. Et en bas de l'arbre, qu'est-ce qu'on peut trouver comme animal?
Une petite bête.
Enjoy a real change of scenery as you take a pony ride with your child. Discover the flora and fauna along our trails. Or take part in our themed educational workshops.
Tu veux essayer? Allez. C'est un système où c'est comme une brosse à cheveux. Voilà. Sauf que là, c'est pour enlever les saletés. Les feuilles, elles sont comment? En forme de rond.
Mielys Sphère plays a key role in raising awareness of the nature that surrounds us and supporting environmental education for future generations. We are particularly passionate about sharing messages of protection, conservation, and respect for nature.